wonder who's really been messing up your kitchen. Get ready to meet the culinary masterminds with claws. Meet Mittens, our head chef, who believes every dish needs a little cat hair. And Fluffy, our taste tester, who's mostly here for moral support and the occasional dropped shrimp. Today, they're making Purr-Fried Rice. Mittens insists on using only the finest catnip-infused water, sourced directly from the garden hose. Fluffy's verdict: needs more tuna. Classic Fluffy. Oops, looks like someone needs a little more practice. Don't worry, the 5-second rule applies in the cat world. If you enjoyed this culinary catastrophe, hit that like button and subscribe for more catastic content, and please, send tuna. They're out.